Hi everybody, here I am going to present to you an introduction of what is Power BI and when we are going to use Power BI or when you can use Power BI. This video is more oriented to people that want to enter the world of Power BI or the world of BI. So the world of business intelligence. So today we know that nowadays the explosion of data are getting crazy in the world in business. Everybody wanna exploit their data. So then Power BI is a software that help analyze data, visualize data, so in an intelligent way. This is why Power BI in the world of business intelligence. So here we have the presentation of this software in a fast way. So Power BI is a software where you can use your data, you can model your data, you can clean your data, you can shape in your data. So here, as you can see, this is the main screen of Power BI, and we have here the options like another software. We have here the options. The main options in this Power BI is, for example, the get data. So the get data gives the option to get data from different sources. We have here the different sources we can use, for example, Excel, we can use SQL, different databases. We have here more options to get data from another sources, as you can see here. And you select the file, you can hear all the types, several types of files. You have here database, and you have here the main or the principal databases that you can choose, and you have other options, or you can see all the options, or you can say search the option here. So this is the one main option in Power BI. You can bring different types of data, different sources of data, and then integrate this data in a model that allows you to use them or this model in doing intelligent reports and intelligence dashboards. So another main feature of Power BI is this tab modeling. Once you have imported all your data, you have to model here. You have the Power Pivot here. You have this tab to edit queries. Here you have to you can edit your data, transform your data, manipulate your data in a way that you want, and then you have the tab also here for create the relationships between the data. This means the modeling of the data. Okay, this is really a very fast introduction, and I could say this is an overview. You have an idea how Power BI works and what is the main features that this software has. So by this side we have this icon which shows the report that you have. You can have several reports, several pages here. Here you can visualize your data. If you select this icon, you can see your data like in a spreadsheet, and here you have the model of your data, all the tables that you have, and the relationships with between or among your tables. In this side we have the filters. We have filters at the level of the page, the whole page. You can use filters for all the page, or you can use filters on all pages. And even when you have here some filters. You have the option to have filters at the visual level. Okay, and then what means visuals? There are these small icons here, and that are visuals that help us to visualize our data. As for example, we can, if we wanna have some chartboard, we have here several types of chartboard. We have here, for example, a table, simple table like in Excel, for example. And here we have matrix. Here we have some filters even. And then filters means that, for example, if you have the variable gender, let's say, you want to see how your data is, the behavior of your data in relation, for example, to only females. So you can click only females and you can see how your data behave regarding females, or males. You click males and then you will see your data how behaves, or how are the characteristics of your data regarding males. This is filter. You can filter any variable that you want using filters here. Okay, and in this side of the fields you will visualize all your database here, your tables, and then all the variables that each table has. And then here is, now we don't have nothing because we don't have data here, because the objective of this video tutorial is to present Power BI empty, only to focus on the features of the software that, and you wanna begin understanding how are the main features of Power BI. And then we have here the help, that is very interesting because you have here some video tutorial, video training, documentation of the features, and you have here community. And Power BI has a service community that are like a network for the people that works with Power BI. And then you can, it's like a forum, you can submit some question, some problem with Power BI when you are at the beginning, you are junior, and then the people, the community Power BI can help you answering your questions and solving in some way your problem with Power BI, in a way that you can get more and more familiar with Power BI. So this is I'm forgetting, this published is a very feature of Power BI, but not of this Power BI, because as you can see, Power BI desktop. Okay, Power BI desktop is a free version of Power BI. You can download and install it on your PC, and then you can begin to use this version. And this option, publication, means that you can publish your reports or dashboards with people that are involved in the taking decisions, or in strategic missions on the company, on the business, etc., to see the trends and the changes of the data in order to take decisions. Okay, so I think I comment already the main features of Power BI. I hope this helped you, and then if you have some questions, I am glad to help you. Please write me in the comments, and I will try to answer as soon as possible. Okay, thank you very much. Have a nice day. Bye bye.